first letter in alphabet is A. And I write it this way. You can start it a different way. That's the letter A again. So another letter after A is B. Then we have C. This is where we write C. I write C. You can write it a different way as I was saying. So we're gonna do this again. Letter A make what sound? A. Another way for writing A is in the lower case, which is like this. Then the letter B, what letter sound a B make? This is the, okay. So we're gonna see how C right. C, instead of it being this big, write it a little bit smaller. That's the letter lowercase c. So yeah. Well, yeah, I'm gonna I look at as we go with Yuval. So this is my idea. We're gonna start right over here instead. D. That's the letter D. Then I have E. Then I have F. Then I have the next one is G. G. This one. G. The letter G is the letter G is right, D in the lower form. The letter D make the sound. Then we have E. E make the letter sound. E, E, E. Then we have F. F. Then we have G. Ch, ch, ch. We stand for general. Start or spell the letter girl. You know. Those are some example of what the letter G start with. Well, females, I'm doing it real good. Then we have H. H. Then we have J. Then we have K. Then we have L. Then we have M. This is the way we write N. Then we have girl. It's about making stuff look neat at the same time. So we're gonna continue on our next page. Well, let's make this fun. Ch, ch, ch. H, H, H. Ch, ch, ch. K, 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 K. M, 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 M. Then we have the letter O. 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 Then we have letter P. Then we have letter Q. Then we have letter R. Then we have letter S. Then we have letter T. Then we have letter U. Then we have letter B. Then we have letter W. Well, the fact that we're gonna have to, well, this is a no page, it's a no task, it's a no chapter. So we're gonna write O. Then we have O, lowercase o. Then we have lowercase p. Then we have lowercase q. Then we have lowercase r. Then we have lowercase s. Well, this is a more better example of lowercase s. Because we're working with the line. So then we have lowercase t. Then we have the lowercase u. Well, compared to this is with the lowercase, you know. So then we have the letter B. B. Then we have the letter W. So we're doing a maths now. Maths is equation, maths are numbers, but maths are also things that explain the concept of something. So this is big and this is small. Okay, so we're just saying there's a difference, you know, in everyone. Down to the last three letters of the alphabet, which is X, then Y, then Z. So we're gonna write X in the lower form, which is the small. Then we're gonna write U. Then we're gonna write Z. And that's how we, let's pronounce this. X, 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 X. Like U stand for everyone, you know, but U. U, and this is the example of how you spell the letter U. Y, O, U. So this is what, yeah. Then we have the letter Z. As I recap or summarize what I said, the reason why I would say it's better to write on 2 page, because you can take a screenshot of the picture, you can take a picture of it and not actually show. It's easier to submit your homework like that, you know, or your assignments. So as I say, it's very smart to write on both page in a paragraph way. It's make submitting a homework easier.